Get traffic with SoloAds. How to get traffic to your website using SoloAds. We've all heard many times over that list building is critical for long-term success in internet marketing. If you think about it, it's easy to understand why list building is so important. Since you get the opportunity to present sales offers to a potential customer multiple times instead of just showing a sales letter one time. It's not easy getting started from scratch though, and many people struggle to drive enough traffic to their squeeze page in order to generate a significant number of subscribers. If you're one of those online business owners who can't seem to get very many subscribers, why not try some paid advertising in the form of SoloAds? After all, paid advertising has always been an excellent way to gain exposure for your business more quickly, which is one reason why pay-per-click campaigns are so popular and generate so much money for Google and other search engines. Instead of waiting forever to generate enough traffic to your squeeze page, you can simply purchase solo ads from a reputable marketer who has a significant list. The advertisements would lead readers to your squeeze page where you can offer some sort of incentive like a free ebook or a video in order to convert those visitors into subscribers. If you're a member of a marketing forum such as the Warrior Forum or any number of similar forums, you might be able to find some good opportunities for solo ads, even though you have to be careful when it comes to spending your money on advertising. You really want to make sure that you're buying solo ads only from reputable dealers. If there's someone you trust on a marketing forum or in a paid membership site, perhaps that person can recommend where you can buy solo ads so you can quickly start building your list much more quickly in order to get your business off the ground. SafeSwaps.com and the Warrior Forum are two great places to look for solo ad sellers. At SafeSwaps, it's as simple as locating a solo ad seller with the criteria you want and ordering directly on their website. And at the Warrior Forum, you can find plenty of good, reputable solo ad sellers in their JV and classified sections. As with any other investment, make sure that you do your due diligence and you don't just buy from the cheapest solo ad sellers.